Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve a firewall might be blocking Spotify followed by error code 30. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. In settings you want to go to network and internet. Want to go to VPN settings or here left side. You might turn it off everything guys. I means if you using a VPN, I recommend to turn it off. All VPN connection, everything should be turned off. I means this is the cause of the error code 30 guys. Let's resolve the problem. Close out of here. Go to firewall and network protection. Allow apps through firewall, click on it. Here you want to search for Spotify guys. In my case I am in virtual machine guys. I am not using Spotify in there. You need to check mark two of these, private and public, and you need to enable this also. Everything you need to check mark here guys in Spotify named us, and you want to click OK. And first thing you want to click on change setting, and you want to search for Spotify guys, and you need to check mark over here three of these, private and public, and you want to check mark this name also and click OK. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.